I am in the store, what do I see? I see lots of food. How much is one apple? One apple is $1. When do I count my money? I count it right now. How do I count? I count 1, 2, 3. Who makes the prices? I want to know. When did the food get to the store? Where do people buy food? They go to the store. Which food is cheap? I need to find out whose job is it. I want to know how much is the bread. The bread costs a lot. How much can I buy? How many things can I get? How much money do I have? I want to learn. I want to know. Who cuts paper money? Savers. My mom does. When does she do it? At the table. Where does she sit? In the kitchen. How do I pay? With my small coins. Which machine helps me? The paying machine. How much is left? I need to count. How much? How many? Where and when? Who and which? These are questions